Seasons come and seasons go. The first day of fall falls every year, usually on the 22nd or 23rd of September. That's the autumnal equinox, when the hot days of summer will melt away to the cool, crisp days of fall. The autumnal equinox is the official astronomical day and time that autumn begins, but for many of us, other events signal the coming of this season. For some folks, it's the first day of school that marks the end of summer. For others, it's the first red, orange, or yellow leaf on a tree. Some people aren't even convinced it's fall until they need a sweater. For more information on this year's autumnal equinox, go to almanac.com/autumn.